Hello everyone, today I will show you how to resize checkboxes on your fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my checkboxes and I'll resize all of them. Now select form option and here you will find the select option. Now click on the checkbox and select. Here you can increase, decrease checkbox size or select right button and set properties dialog box. And this option, there is no option, only you can resize here, and also you can make these two text boxes same size. Drag your mouse and select two of these. Now select right button and select align on size and select both and see this and fixed alignment, see this, and also this on size. Yeah, in this way you can sense your checkbox size and adjust size or increase decrease size. Yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.